Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house for sale. It is located in the exclusive gated community of Stonebrook Manor, Trelawny. Stonebrook Manor is a highly sought after residential development in a gated community just 20 minutes from the airport. This community offers 24 hours gated security, swimming pool, gym, and recreational areas. It is close to the resort area, the Falmouth cruise ship terminal, beaches, and entertainment areas. Call today to book a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.